4 weeks in the city. The streets no longer a puzzle. 4 weeks ago, Lily arrived in the city with a suitcase and a phrase book. She had memorized the word for help before she memorized the word for hello. Today, she was going to a food festival, alone, on a bicycle. She did not yet know how to ride in the city.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to rent a bicycle, please.
For how long?
The whole day, until about 5 or 6.
Full day is 15 euros. Deposit is 20. You get the deposit back when you return it.
And the helmet?
It's included.
Good. And is there a map of the bike lanes?
There's an app.
I prefer paper.
Nobody has asked for this in 2 years.
I'm very traditional.
You can ride?
Since I was 6.
Stay in the bike lanes.
Of course. I've been watching how people ride here. It looks organized, almost like another language.
That's a good way to describe it. Once you learn the rhythm, it makes sense.
Rhythm?
Yeah. Cyclists flow around each other. If you hesitate too much, you break the rhythm.
So confidence is part of the system.
Exactly. Not reckless, just confident.
I learned to ride in a small town. There were almost no cars.
That's very different from here.
Yes. There, riding a bicycle meant freedom. Here, it feels more like transportation.
Both, really. People commute on them every day, but on a nice day like this, it's also the best way to see the city.
That's what I'm hoping for. That feels like the beginning of a small adventure.
That's exactly what a bicycle day should be.
Thank you for the help. I'll bring it back before 6.
No rush as long as you're close. Just enjoy the ride.
The canal road to the festival was 20 minutes, according to the slightly coffee-stained map. She chose to trust it.
Excuse me, can I stop you for a moment?
Is it for the lane?
You're in the main road. The bike lane is the red section on the left side.
I'm sorry, I was looking at the map.
While riding?
Yes, briefly.
You don't see many of these anymore.
Paper maps?
Yeah, most people just follow their phones.
Phones tell you where to go. Maps make you think.
Thinking while cycling can be dangerous.
That is becoming clear.
Are you visiting?
I'm living here now, still learning the system.
The bicycle system?
And the city.
Fair enough.
The lanes are very organized here.
They have to be. Too many cyclists otherwise. Just stay in the bike lane until you get at your destination.
Yeah, sure, I will.
The bike lane keeps you safe and keeps traffic moving. Please stay in it.
Of course, I'm sorry. It won't happen again.
Enjoy your day.
In 4 weeks, Lily had been stopped by a police officer exactly once. She had been in the wrong lane. This was, she felt, a reasonable first offense.
Excuse me, are you looking for something?
Yes, I'm trying to find the Central Market, the old one.
The old market. Okay. You're going the wrong way.
I thought so.
Go back over this bridge, then take the second right, not the first one, the second. You'll see a yellow building on the corner.
Second right, yellow building.
Yes. After that, follow the tram line. The market is at the end of it.
Second right, yellow building, follow the tram line.
Exactly. How do you know this area so well? I got lost here several times.
That's actually reassuring.
You'll be fine. It's straightforward once you find the tram line.
Thank you so much.
Good luck.
4 weeks ago, Lily had stood on this exact path with a phone that disagreed with the street. She had asked for directions. She had been given vague ones. Today, she was the one who knew the second right. She had not planned to become this person. She had just kept going.
Excuse me, I think this phone is yours.
Oh, yes. Thank you. I didn't even realize.
It came out of your pocket at the bump. I was right behind you.
Is it broken?
I don't think so. Just a crack.
That's okay. Thank you. That was very kind of you to run after me.
It's fine. Are you going to the festival?
Yes. Is it far?
2 more minutes. Follow the music.
Thank you. Really.
Enjoy it.
Is it your first time there today?
No, I passed by earlier. It's already pretty lively.
Music, food, things like that?
Exactly. And a lot of people with cameras.
That sounds like a good place for observing.
Observing?
I'm trying to understand the city better.
Festivals are good for that. Everyone shows up.
That's what I was hoping.
Just keep your phone in a safer pocket this time.
Yes, that seems like an important lesson. And thank you again for returning the phone.
No problem. It would have been a sad start to the festival otherwise.
Yeah, much sadder.
All right, enjoy the music.
I will. Have a nice day.
Excuse me, I think this fell. Thank you. She's been carrying that all morning. It's a good horse. It really is. She won't go anywhere without it. Very nice. Excuse me, where can I park my bicycle?
Bicycle parking is around the corner. Left side of the building. There's a rack.
Is it safe to leave it there?
There's a security person at the rack. Just lock it and you're fine.
Thank you.
No problem.
This is my first time at the festival.
Then you picked a good day for it.
Is it always this busy?
It gets busier in the afternoon. Right now, people are still arriving.
I followed the music to find the place.
That's the official navigation method.
It worked very well.
Are you visiting the city?
I'm living here now, still learning where everything is.
Festivals help with that. You see a lot of the city in one place.
I like that idea.
Are you here for the music or the food?
Mostly curiosity.
That's a good reason.
I've been riding my bicycle along the canals today.
Then you probably came through the best route.
It was very peaceful.
The festival is a little less peaceful.
That's okay. Cities need both.
True.
I will park the bike first.
The rack is just around that corner, like I said.
Thank you for the help.
Enjoy the festival.
I think I will. Thank you.
It's just down this path, past the blue tent. You'll see the racks on the right.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
What would you like?
What's that one? The dark one.
Slow-cooked lamb. 3 hours. Very good today.
How spicy is it?
On a scale of 1 to 10, 7.
I'll have a small portion.
Small portion of the lamb coming up.
Do people usually choose the spicy one?
Most of them do. Festivals make people brave.
Brave with food.
Exactly.
I'm still learning my spice limits.
7 is a respectable experiment.
That sounds slightly dangerous.
Not dangerous, just memorable.
Memorable food can be good.
Here you go. Careful, it's hot.
Thank you.
First time trying it?
Yes, I arrived at the festival a few minutes ago.
Then you started at the right stall.
That's good to hear.
The bread helps if the spice gets too strong.
Strategic bread.
Exactly.
I like how many different foods are here.
That's the whole idea. People walk around and try a little of everything.
A moving dinner.
Perfect description.
I am exploring the city today, so this fits the theme.
Exploring with food is the best method.
I agree.
Let me know if the spice level was honest.
I will report the results.
Good. I like scientific customers.
Then this will be a useful experiment.
Hey, Lily, is that you? Someone in this city just said her name. Nobody in this city knows her name. It's been 1 month in this city. New streets, new words, new routines. She had been so busy becoming someone who belongs here that she had almost forgotten she had a life before she arrived. Find out who it is in part 11.